How's it going, guys? It's the Common Shooter here. Today I'm going to be doing some shooting with the AR, and I figured I'd do a little bit of a product review. Lately I've been picking up these 150 round boxes of American Eagle. I'm told that they are remanufactured. From all looks of them, they are. So we're going to be doing some shooting, see how this stuff works out, see how well it actually shoots. And I'll let you guys know. I'll take a little video, maybe do some more semi-tactical training, or the tactical training in a semi-tactical way, if you will. Gotta love these good 10-round New York compliant magazines. Yeah, they're a lot of fun. Woohoo! Yeah, but I will say one thing. Does kind of put me as Johnny on the spot with mag changes. It definitely helps with that. It's a lot of good practice for muscle memory, switching those in and out. So we'll see how this stuff works out. See how it runs. Guys, Common Shooter. I'm gonna add this into my other video. I'm going to be doing a little bit of shooting for the tactical, semi-tactical shooting. Do a little bit of practice, just so you guys know. I wanted to record a little bit earlier. I had somebody show up at the range just before, so out of courtesy, I did not record any video for that. Got to tell you though, this ammo has been working out great. The person that came in is actually somebody who's involved in law enforcement. Said that the ammo is not remanufactured. It is penetrator rounds. Through Federal, Lake City. I was a big fan of them. Big fan of the AR that I have, which was nice. He was doing some black powder shooting in. Excuse me. But that's neither here nor there. So we'll do a little bit of shooting here. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to run 2 mags through, and we'll have some fun. Let's hope I don't get in any trouble here.